Hello everyone, myself Paya Solanki. I am student of BSc final year from MSP Arts Science and KPT Commerce College, Manora, Department of Physics. My project topic is laser alarm security system. Today I will discuss about aim. Aim of this project is to develop and modernize process for laser alarm security system with the help of laser light, then apparatus. First, LDR, light dependent resistor. Second, transistor, NPN, BC547 and BC548. Third, resistor 1 by 4 volt and 6.6 kilo ohm. Number 4, SPST switch, that is single pole single throw switch. Number 5, power supply 5 volt. Number 6, laser diode 5 volt. Number 7, piezo speaker 5 volt. Number 8, reflective mirrors are 2. Then this apparatus of laser alarm security system. Then introduction of this project is: first, a security system protect our homes, office, banks, lockers, etc. from intrusion and unauthorized access. Number second, there are different type of security system available and laser based security system is an important and efficient type. Number third, a laser alarm system operates by projecting a beam of invisible laser light across a doorway or window opening. And number fourth, whenever the light is broken, is activates a buzzer or alarm. This fourth point of laser alarm security system. Then theory of this project is: so first, the transistor is on when the voltage drop is above cut-in voltage, that is 0.6 volt. LDR has low resistance in the presence of light and high resistance in the absence of light. It means that the transistor is an voltage drop cut-in voltage, that is 0.6 volt are upward. Then LDR resistance is very slow in the presence of light. LDR do not fall the light, then this time LDR resistance are very high. Then second, laser beam is continuously falling on LDR using long length mirror to ensure multiple reflection. In this situation, the resistance offered by LDR is too low, which is insufficient to turn on the transistor, so the transistor remain in offset. It means that the laser beam are continuously LDR fall to long length mirror using the multiple reflection are performed in LDR or beam light LDR. The resistance are very low or LDR are transistor do not on it, mean LDR are insufficient to the transistor. Then number third, whenever a person blocks the continuously flow of laser beam, the resistance increases, the voltage drop, the exit the cut in voltage of transistor and it will turn on, through which buzzer makes the beep sound. It means the person are continuously flow of blocks, then the voltage drop cut-in voltage, the 0.6 volt are increases to the LDR. And number 4, the beep sound gives the indication of someone unauthorized is present. That means the buzzer are beep sound indication of presence of unauthorized. These 4 point of laser alarm security system. Then procedure of this project is: 2 NPN, that is BC547 and BC548 transistor implemented in this security alarm circuit as a switching device. LDR, light dependent resistor, connected to the base terminal of Q2 transistor through R4 resistor. This LDR gives low resistance when the laser light falls on it and gives high resistance when there is no laser light, due to that supply voltage to the Q2 transistor varies depends on the LDR resistance. It means that then the two main pin of NPN type of BC547 and BC548 transistor in implemented to the security alarm circuit. Then, as a switching device of LDR are connected to the Q2 transistor through R4 resistor, the laser light falls on it and gives high resistance. Then LDR gives low resistance. When there is no laser light supply voltage, the Q2 transistor LDR resistance are various depends. Then the Q1 transistor collector terminal is connected with buzzer and indicator LED, and then base terminal of Q1 transistor connected to the Q2 transistor collector terminal. Each transistor needs some threshold voltage to get turned on. If the laser light falls on LDR, it allows supply to the Q2 base, hence it becomes turned on. So the Q1 transistor base don't get any bias due to that Q1 transistor stay in off condition. So the buzzer and LED also in off condition. It means that the buzzer and indicator connected to the Q1 transistor collector, the base terminal of Q1 transistor connected to the Q2 transistor of the collector terminal. The laser light falls on LDR. The Q1 transistor base any bias due to Q1 transistor on the off condition. Then the buzzer and LED are also in off condition. This procedure of laser alarm security system. Then circuit diagram of laser alarm security system and advantages of laser alarm security system. First, laser security system locks working. Laser door alarm is based on the interruption of laser beam. The laser pointer is used as the source of light beam. Number second, laser system. Laser technology products will calculate distance by measuring the time of flight of very short infrared light. Then remaining advantages of laser alarm security system is first, provide the ability to monitor happening on there are security systems that have an odd-on feature of detecting fire or smoke. This system will instantly notify you during emergencies like a fire breakout and gas leak or food emergency. These all advantages of laser alarm security system. Then laser alarm security system diagram model. Then this diagram model is laser alarm security system. So first diagram are solenoid ring or solenoid gun use. Main switch on the, you can see that invisible layer start from the model. Then second diagram, you can see by projecting light into a detector, when send a specific voltage into sensing electronics. When the detector no longer sense the light, it change this voltage, causing the sensing electronics to turn on the alarm. Then these all process are number second diagram. And third, break the invisible layer in the help of pen through. Then the buzzer or sound are released to the third diagram. Then disadvantages of laser alarm security system is laser security system require resources to run at complexity in IT environment and requires efforts by those using the system. These advantages of laser alarm security system. Then application of laser alarm security system is first, laser and laser technology are widely used in defense and security fields. Second, used to protect valuable items, money, rooms, etc. by using different mirror arrangement. Then, daily life application of laser alarm security system is first, laser security system can be used to safety lockers in our homes where even if the locker's code is hacked, it acts as an additional layer of security. Apart from security system, this layer base setup can also be used to check if pets or babies cross a certain boundary. And then a laser security alarm is used for the designed to detect intrusion and unauthorized entry into a building or area. Then in this daily life daily life application of laser alarm security system. Then limitation: the laser security system works only if the laser is obstructed. This limitation of in this project. So I hope you understand. Thanks.